Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock in your kitchen. First, select your main ingredient, typically 2 pounds of bones from chicken, beef, or fish. Next, prepare your aromatics, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. Don't forget a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and some fresh parsley stems for depth. Finally, place everything into a large pot and cover with about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring it to a gentle simmer, avoiding a rolling boil. This slow heat extraction is key. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising. Skim this off during the initial 30 minutes to keep your stock clear. For chicken stock, maintain a very low simmer for 4 to 6 hours. If you're making beef stock, allow it to simmer for 8 to 12 hours to develop its full, rich flavor profile. After simmering, it's time to strain your stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a clean bowl or pot. This ensures a clear, smooth liquid. Discard all the solids, their work is done. Now, for safety, cool the stock rapidly. An ice bath works wonderfully. Once cooled, divide it into smaller, manageable containers for the next step. Proper storage is crucial for your homemade stock. In airtight containers, it will last in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze it. Stock can be frozen for up to 6 months in freezer-safe bags or containers, making meal prep much easier. This versatile liquid is perfect as a base for delicious soups, rich sauces, and savory gravies, or you can reduce it to create a concentrated glaze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.